The reason I like Lingopie is because first and foremost, it's just fun. It's relaxing for me. I can just turn on a movie or watch a TV show and just enjoy it just at that level. And because of that, I feel relaxed and I'm in a state of calmness. And I feel like I'm more open to learning. And I also feel more open to being engaged. I love the features where I can slow it down, I can save words, I can read ahead, I can follow along in both the English and the French. I feel like I'm engaged without having to feel pressure. And because of that, I'm just enjoying it. On one level, I just come for the shows. I just want to watch French shows and have a good time and relax. But on another level, that's the perfect platform for learning a new language. And it feels low stakes. It feels sort of like secure, like I'm not frustrated. I'm just enjoying. And that's when I think the real language acquisition happens. So I just love this website. I think it's phenomenal. I think it's a real opportunity for people who are interested in language learning, but maybe don't want to feel like they're working towards it. It doesn't feel like work. So yeah, I recommend it.